Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Taman hapon, good morning. Kabalo na si Sir. Taman hapon, good morning. Okay, first of all, we would like to thank the Office of the Vice President for Academic Affairs for allowing the strategic planning team to conduct the preliminaries of our system-wide strategic planning. No? I'd like to emphasize what we are doing here is not the actual strategic planning yet. Good morning.
Morning.
Ako lang explain kadyo ha. Atong ibuhat dili pa siya ang mismong strategic planning yun. Na ay preliminary sa atong strategic planning na gather tao data, explain na ko later nga nung nakinahanglan tao gathering of data prior to the actual institutional strategic planning. Okay? So, this is the strategic plan. This is pertaining to our strategic plan 2030. Meaning to say, we will be crafting another strategic plan because our existing strategic plan has already expired. Did you know that? Ang atong strategic plan, taman ra sa 2024. Isay aware na. Sige, so, yeah, so this is part of the preparation for the next strategic plan. But I'd like to get your ideas first before I proceed. I'd like to understand and I'd like to be in the same level as you in terms of your perception and your appraisal of a strategic plan. What for you is a strategic plan and what's the value of a strategic plan in any organization or an organization? I'd like to ask volunteers who would like to say something. What is the value of a strategic plan in an organization?
Very important.
Some administrators that a bit. Okay na lang yung lead ako now.
What is the term itself, strategic plan, and every action that we do, especially if it requires or it is implemented and the effect would take time, it requires a plan really. And when we do strategic planning, that is already finding ways, means to improve, to enhance, and to make it something like basic but doable and could really answer the problem. So it is very much valuable to an organization. An organization without a plan is similarly a person without direction. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dean. Mga butang na akong na-pick up from the sharing of the problems and direction. No? So it's valuable because we set the direction by looking at what didn't work or what seems problematic in the previous implementation. Perhaps we can ask another perspective from another team.
Sorry, I was not able to get my internet. However, I guess, sir, I just see the value of strategic plan in the case that it's just like as Mom said, it's